Hi, I'm John Coonrad with Superbag, here with the SVU 50. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the master power on. In order to run any function here, the master power has to be on. All your functions, raise, lower, rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, tilt, forward, and back, LED lights, and your fuel gauge. Now over here on this control, you're going to turn your key on. All 4 lights will light up. The red will flash. When it goes away, eliminates. Now you're good to start it. To start it, we're going to hit the run. Press and hold that till it starts. Give it a minute to warm up. From there, the rabbit, you're going to press and hold that. Your RPM readout is right here. You're going to run that throttle up to wide open till there's an X on here indicating you're at full RPM. To throttle down, you're going to press and hold the turtle. At idle, you should be around 1000 RPM. To shut it off, you can turn off, turn the key, or emergency stop. Downtime can affect a warehouse facility, costing a company $2,500 to $5,000 per in-op minute. This large industrial fan has a 200,000 CFM output to ventilate large structures in a fraction of the time. The fan should be placed so the airflow seals the dock door. Depending on the size of the dock door, place the fan 20 to 40 feet, which is 6 to 12 meters. Attached is an 1.5 inch hose fitting to the misting ring. The mist will reach over 50 yards. Cooling effect will reach up to 100 yards. Perfect for rehabilitation.